English Medium School, Sarsa, welcomes to you in this video. My name is Master Kamini. Today I am taking class for Standard 1. My subject name is EVS. Unit number 5, that's chapter 5, our clothes continue. Topics covered, that explain textbook exercise. In previous video we have to complete the chapters hard words and activity and explanation of these chapters. Now today we have to complete our textbook exercise, that is page number 163. If you have textbook, then open your page number 163 and do in your textbook. Okay dear students, so let's start. Exercise A, B and C. A and B is the question form that I have to next slide given the answer also. Exercise A, oral questions. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? So answer is that we wear woolen clothes in winter because they protect us from cold. Here I will answer recite in orally, but in the next slide I will show you the answer also. Second question, why do we carry an umbrella on a rainy day? Why do we carry an umbrella on a rainy day? We carry an umbrella on a rainy day because it protects us from rain. It protects us from rain. Exercise B, that is quiz. Answer immediately in a one or two sentence or one or two words. Number 1. Name any two clothes we need to keep ourselves warm in a winter. Name any two clothes we need to keep ourselves warm in winter. Answer, that is sweater and jacket. You have to write down answer sweater and jacket. Number 2. Name three main seasons. Name. You have to write down names also. Names in before question starting there are write down name, but if you wish then write down also name after. Name three main seasons. Answer is that summer, winter and monsoon. Summer, winter and monsoon. एक्सरसाइज सी, दैट इज टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. ये एमसीक्यू फॉर्म्स क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है. सी नंबर 1. वूलन क्लोथ्स प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम. वूलन क्लोथ्स प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम. आंसर ए कोल्ड. ठंडी से बचने के लिए वूलन क्लोथ्स वी हैव टू वेयर. सो वूलन क्लोथ्स प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम cold. Now here next slide there is answer C. वो question exercise A and B I have to orally speak out the answer, but here answers form is given too. So once again I have to read this answer and question 2. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? That answer is that we wear woolen clothes in winter because they protect us from cold. Why do we carry an umbrella on a rainy day? We carry an umbrella on a rainy day because it protects us from rain. Quiz. Name any two clothes we need to keep ourselves warm in winter. That is sweater and jacket. Number 2. Name the three main seasons. Name that summer, winter and monsoon. Now our next MCQ is continued, that if you have textbook then open textbook number 164 and see that exercise. MCQ is continued. Sorry. We go to school in blanks. We go to school in school uniform. Answer B. We go to school in school uniform. Number 3, that is tick. What do you do at home? आपको घर पे क्या करना है? वो आपको टिक करना है। देखो, नंबर 8, हेल्प योर पेरेंट्स इन कीपिंग योर क्लोथ्स नीटली इन द कपबोर्ड, button your shirt on your own, put away your dirty clothes for washing, ask your mummy and papa to help you get your school uniform ready for the next morning, is all are right, because आपको आपके घर पे क्या करना है, दैट इज़ नंबर 1 इज़ दैट आपको आपके पापा मम्मी पापा को कपबोर्ड क्लीन करने में या क्लोथ्स की प्रॉपर गड़ी करके रखने में हेल्प करनी है। बटन योर शर्ट ऑन योर ओन, जब आप शर्ट या टी शर्ट कुछ पहन रहे हो तो उसके बटन्स खुद बंद करने आना चाहिए आपको, वो आप खुद करो। पुट अवे योर डर्टी क्लोथ्स फॉर वॉशिंग, कपड़े धोने के लिए बाहर डाल दो जहाँ आप रखते हो वहाँ पे। आस्क योर मम्मी एंड पापा टू हेल्प यू गेट योर स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग, दूसरे दिन स्कूल जाना है तो अपना यूनिफॉर्म रेडी करके रखो, स्कूल बैग्स ये सब रेडी करो। तो ये सारे अच्छे अच्छे वाले काम आपको खुद करने हैं और आपके मम्मी पापा को भी हेल्प करनी है, तो आपको सारे टिक करने हैं। नाउ एक्सरसाइज डी, इट इज़ दैट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. Here 3 words are given and you have to fill up the answer. So see, we wear different clothes in a different season. Seasons change होती है, same we have to change our clothes patterns. Suppose in a rainy season we have to use umbrella, gun boots and raincoats. In winter seasons we have to use woolen clothes. Summer season cotton clothes, same way. Second, we wear blank clothes in a winter. Answer is that woolen, WOOLLE and woolen. Number 3, we use umbrellas and raincoats on rainy days. बारिश होती है तभी ये सब यूज़ करते हो ना, सेम वे. नाउ एक्सरसाइज ई, लेटर आई विल एक्सप्लेन. फर्स्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द टेस्ट योर सेल्फ, दैट इज मैच द फॉलोइंग. Number 1, 2, 3, here seasons names are given and on front side there are given clothes, so you have to match it, but I have to write down that directly number from answers later. See, summer, in summer we wear cotton clothes, that answer B. Winter, woolen clothes, answer C. In monsoon, raincoats, answer A. So you have to write down like that, like this. जैसे मैंने सिखाया है दिखाया है वैसे आपको आंसर नोटबुक्स में लिखने हैं. Now I will explain you the exercise E, that is answer the following questions. Okay dear students, there are 2 only questions. See, why do we wear clothes? हम क्लोथ्स क्यों पहनते हैं? वी वेयर क्लोथ्स टू कवर अवर बॉडी, दे प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम हीट, कोल्ड, रेन एंड डस्ट. वी वेयर क्लोथ्स टू कवर अवर बॉडी, दे प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम हीट, कोल्ड, रेन एंड डस्ट. Number 2, what type of clothes do we wear in summer? In summer, which kinds of clothes we have to wear? We wear cotton clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. So dear students, here exercise over. If you have to write down some blanks, true false in your textbook, so you have to write down in your notebook, EVS notebook. Today's homework is that exercise A, B, C, D, E, and test yourself in your notebook. You have to copy down from your mobile, and if you have to tick your mobile to your textbook, then copy down from your textbook in your notebook. So we have to, in previous video we have to all the discussion of these chapters, hard words and explanation, that in summer, winter, monsoon, special occasion, which kinds of clothes we have to wear, and some uniforms, that special persons wear special uniform. All these things we have to discuss in this previous video. Now today we have to just discuss the chapters exercise, that is oral questions, quiz, MCQ, blanks, match the following, and once again question answer. So you have to write down homework today's exercise in your notebook. Very soon we will meet with our next chapter, very interesting chapters. So we have to meet very soon with new chapters. Okay dear students, all the best.